for the transmission of data, signals and power between wagons. So-called intercar systems are used. These are installed in the underfloor, roof area or directly between the wagons. The Harting engineering team works closely with the customer from the very beginning in order to be able to create the optimum design solution, initially in the CAD system. Important variables of influence are vehicle parameters, mounting position, environmental influences, as well as the track profile with its mechanical and electrotechnical stresses. After the selection of the components, all track situations of the interchange are digitally simulated, whereby, among other things, the length of the jumper cables and the bending radii to be observed are checked. A prototype is assembled on the basis of the determined data, which is then used to carry out the service life test, again taking into account the route profiles in the in-house Harting test centre. Result: our customer receives his customized plug-and-play solution.